Would You Rather Mystery Dish Edition. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Would you rather Cheetos or what's in the mystery dish? Doritos. Do you want the carrot cake or the mystery dish? Cinnamon roll. The pizza or what's in the mystery dish? Bird pizza. Would you rather a lemonade or the mystery dish? Chocolate frosty. Make your choice. Would you rather jelly beans or the mystery dish? Ice cream cone. Here is a hard one. Takis. Do you want the strawberry milkshake or the mystery dish? Chocolate milkshake. Would you rather the pancakes or what's in the mystery dish? The most expensive ice cream. Do you want the slice of pizza or the mystery dish? Burnt chips. Would you rather the cheesecake or the mystery dish? Swiss roll. The candy corn or what's in the mystery dish? Popcorn chicken. What do you want to choose here? Nutella. Would you rather the caramel popcorn or the mystery dish? Steak. Would you rather the donut or the mystery dish? Eclair. Do you want the white chocolate or the mystery dish? Dark chocolate. Here is a tough one. Marshmallow. The cheese balls or what's in the mystery dish? Fried chicken. Make your choice. I hope you took the fries. Would you rather the banana pudding or what's in the mystery dish? Banana Foster. Do you want the tiramisu or the mystery dish? Would you rather brownies or the mystery dish? Burnt brownies. The chocolate chip cookies or what's in the mystery dish? Burnt cookies. Do you want the Jell-O or the mystery dish? Would you rather Cheez-It or the mystery dish? Goldfish. What do you want to choose here? Cake Pops. Do you want Skittles or what's in the mystery dish? M&M's. Would you rather the apple juice or the mystery dish? Water. Would you rather nuggets or the mystery dish? Burnt nuggets. The gooey butter cake or the mystery dish? Mississippi mud cake. Here is a hard one. Do you want the donuts or what's in the mystery dish? Burnt donuts. Make your choice. I hope you took the chocolate cheesecake. Would you rather the pumpkin pie or the mystery dish? Apple pie. The blueberry cheesecake or the mystery dish? Strawberry cheesecake. Would you rather the Cajun fries or what's in the mystery dish? Burnt fries. Do you want the latte or the mystery dish? Espresso. Would you rather the salmon or what's in the mystery dish? Here is a tough one. Hot dog. What do you want to choose here? Cola bottle gummy. Would you rather the vanilla cupcake or the mystery dish? Chocolate cupcake. The puff pastry ears or what's in the mystery dish? Would you rather souffle or the mystery dish? Lava cake. The grilled cheese sandwich or what's in the mystery dish? Bird sandwich. Make your choice. Nutella lava cookies. Would you rather the lollipop or the mystery dish? Cotton candy. Make your choice. Coffee. Would you rather the pecan pie or the mystery dish? Thanks for watching. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.